my name is Marietta Mehanni, and this week I'm going to show you a combination of a knee repeater and a single leg kick. It's all performed on one side, and then you do repeat the exercise on the other. So we've already discussed how to do the knee repeater. In the previous clip, we've also talked about how to do a single leg kick forward and back. So why not put the two together? You can play around with any combination of repetition, but my favourite is 2 knee repeaters and 1 single kick forward and back. 2 in the same space, it takes you to do one of the big kicks. So it goes 1, 2, kick, back, 1, 2, kick, back, 1, 2, right, really energetic movement pattern. It's great because it's so fun to do when you do combinations, not focusing so much on the fatigue that you're feeling or the cardiovascular out of breath feeling that you're feeling, but more on what you're doing with your body. So arms, again, super important. You want to be stretching the arms forward on the knee repeater, and as you kick forwards and back, you straighten your arms. So elbow bends, straight, straight. Pull up, straight, straight. The other thing is I'm hopping on my left foot gently, up and down, so that I'm not trying to stay stable, although you can do that too. But it's one or the other, not something in between. So, much harder from a straight part, and you really have to use your legs and your abdominals a lot more with the stable stuff. So it's not that one's better than the other, they just have different purposes, and it depends on the energy level that you want in the class. You then repeat exactly the same thing on the other side. You might want to start with teaching knee repeaters first, then a single leg kick forwards and back, and then put them together, 2 knee repeaters, 1 kick forwards and back. Great combination, and that's this week's Aqua Tip.